Hi everyone, welcome back to Davos Technology. Today, I'll give you a step-by-step guide through installation of Ubuntu Linux on VMware Workstation. Whether you are setting up a virtual environment for testing, development, or just learning, this tutorial has you covered. Let's dive right in. Before we get started, here are what you need. You need VMware Workstation, you need Ubuntu Linux ISO file. I have downloaded my own VMware Workstation and I've installed it. That's what we have here. I'm using VMware Workstation Pro 17. You go to Google, you click download Linux ISO, you click download Ubuntu desktop, you click download here. So the download will start automatically. So you now go to create a new virtual machine. Under this, you select typical, which is recommended. You can either install from here, installer this image file ISO, and I prefer that I will install it later. So I select I will install the operating system later. Click next. You ensure Linux is selected, and since you are installing Ubuntu, which is the flavor you are installing, you select Ubuntu. Click next. Then you can just put any name. I want to put Ubuntu. Let me just leave it at Ubuntu. It's a Linux flavor machine. So you browse to the location where you want to install your Ubuntu. I want to install my own here. So I'll create a folder. I can either make a new folder here, or I just click this and make a new folder. Let me just name it Ubuntu. So you click on it, ensure Ubuntu is selected so that you won't overlap your installation with an existing installation. So you click OK. So you look at the directory is correct, then click next. Select store virtual disk as a single file. Maximum disk size 20. You can leave this or you expand it. Let me just expand my own 30. Then click next. Click customize hardware. I want to select a specific virtual network which I created. You watch our video on how to create virtual network, so you can watch any of our videos on that. So you select your ISO which you have downloaded. You navigate to the directory where you. So I'll bring it up into. So I click close. Finish. Now we have our Ubuntu Linux here. So let's click edit virtual machine setting. You go to options. You see BIOS has automatically been selected. That's good for Ubuntu Linux. Then you power on your virtual machine. I want to install this with your press enter. My language has been selected, English language. Click next. Click next here as well. Click next. I want to use wired connection. Click next. Install Ubuntu. Click next. Interactive installation. Click next. Default selection. Click next. Click next here as well. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Click next. You name your machine. That's the name I want to give my machine. Then you put a very strong password. You repeat the password. Click next. Click next. Click install. The installation has started. the installation process for Ubuntu may take some time, so you have to be patient. So click restart now so that the system will restart. Press enter. So you click this, then you input your password when you are installing Ubuntu. Click next. Enable Ubuntu Pro. So far we are not using Ubuntu Pro. You will skip for now. So click next. Help improve Ubuntu. Yes, here you click next. You click finish. Yes, that's it. You have successfully installed Ubuntu Linux in VMware Workstation. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Any question or suggestion for future videos? Thanks for watching and have a happy virtualization.